We understand that there are stuff found in his possession, explosives, and also we understand that there were explosives found in his possession.
No, not at all. Not at all. You did not follow the council properly. No explosive were ever found in his possession or near himself or within certain proximity where one would assume that he is in possession of those explosives. Nothing of that nature.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Zandile Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the identity of the men accused of starting the fire that devastated Parliament has been revealed after the suspect appeared in court today on Tuesday. Zandile Christmas Mafe was taken into custody by the members of the Protection and Security Services responsible for Parliament security. When they realized that the building was on fire, Mafe was found with stolen Parliament or with Parliament stolen goods, and he is now facing numerous charges including theft, arson and housebreaking. While the matter the matter has been postponed in favor of waiting for the damages in Parliament to be assessed and verifying Mafe's information. Many aren't convinced that this is the responsible person for burning the Parliament. So guys, here is the question: why will he burn the Parliament, guys? For what benefit? Mafe pleaded not guilty and denied the charges of his alleged involvement in the Parliament fire. What is your opinion, guys? Do you think Mafe is guilty or not guilty? Some are saying maybe he was sent by someone to do that on his or her behalf. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.